Kasi you guys have our back. So, you have a back.
Screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life.
Chat ako sa GC kanina, happy anniversary, walang nag-reply. Smile! Ano naman yung pinakamasayang memory with B?
Ngayon! Kasi it's our 3rd year anniversary. Hindi seryoso, masaya ako.
Well, may post po na vlog tomorrow.
Oo.
Joke lang po.
Sa 3 years na pagsasama, anong pinakamahirap na part?
O Gwen, si Gwen ang sasagot.
Go, Gwen.
Mahirap. Yung kasama mo si Joanna araw-araw.
Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. Awesome screen.
Find your pet. What?
Sheila. So, what has changed po within yourselves and the group from debut until the present po?
Talagang thank you Lord sa blessings, pero hindi na po kami makagala. So, wag na lang. Personality-wise, wala po. We're still the same, humble, beautiful, wonderful. Yes, amazing, majestic girls.
Hindi lang namin in-expect na mangyayari to. Itong anong meron tayo ngayon sa loob lang ng 3 taon. So, maraming salamat po. Mas naiiyak ako kasi nakikita ko yung mga bosses natin sa araw. Kung alam nyo lang yung pinaglaban nila for us, guys, nung dumaan yung shutdown and pandemic, sino ba naman kami para i-stay ng management, di ba? Pero pinili nilang maniwala and magtiwala sa amin. So maraming salamat po. To Ives, si Ben, maraming salamat po.
Yes, Bloom, sasabi na ni Ate Jo, pero just know na dahil you guys have our back, nalilito na ako. Kasi you guys have our back, so, you have a back.
And panatilihin natin tong healthy environment natin, guys. Let's avoid negativity. Let's avoid comparison. Let's keep this empowered world for all. Yun po.